What is cyber risk? Cyber risk is defined as the potential harm or loss due to unauthorized use of information systems. What is a cybersecurity risk assessment? A cybersecurity risk assessment identifies, analyses, and evaluates risks affecting an organization's assets. It is a critical component of risk management and data protection efforts. It is also known as security risk analysis in cybersecurity. The essential function of cyber risk assessment is to help decision-makers support risk responses. Risk equals probability x severity. Probability is the likelihood of an occurrence of the event, and severity is how serious AHRM could be. Purpose of an information security risk assessment. The primary purpose of an IT security risk assessment is to find out answers to several key questions such as 1. What are the most critical assets of a business? 2. What event could cause a major impact on these critical assets? 3. What type of events can bring the business to a halt? 4. What is the risk appetite of our organization? Why do you perform a cyber risk assessment? There are various reasons why a business should perform a cyber risk assessment. These are: 1. It helps to reduce security incidents and avoid data breaches linked to financial and reputational implications. A good risk analysis improves security controls and risk mitigation strategies. Point 2. Fulfill compliance requirements, be it PCI-DSS, GDPR, HIPAA, or others. 3. Better security culture and communication across the organization, as an assessment involves inputs from various departments and stakeholders. Point 4. A risk template is prepared for future threat assessments that can be used and updated as new changes affect assets' risk posture. What is the difference between risk management and risk assessment in cybersecurity? Risk assessment. It is the process of identifying and evaluating risks affecting an organization's assets. This is a critical component of risk assessment and data protection efforts. Risk management. It is a continuous process of identifying and managing security risks to avoid sensitive data exposure. Information security risk assessment steps. 1. Identify and prioritize assets. 2. Identify cyber threats. 3. Identify vulnerabilities. 4. Determine the likelihood and assess the impact. 5. Prioritize risk and recommend controls. 6. Prepare a cyber risk assessment report. Types of cyber risk assessments. 1. Penetration testing. 2. Cyber attack simulation. 3. Vulnerability assessment. 4. IT audit. 5. IT risk assessment. Get valuable insights into the world of cybersecurity and how it can impact your business. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.